Today, you're going to learn how to successfully pre-germinate rice seeds in 4 easy steps. Welcome back. In this video, you are about to learn the easy step of pre-germinating rice seeds. So keep watching for these easy steps to improve your skill in pre-germinating rice seeds. So, let's get started. In rice farming, pre-germination process involves soaking the seeds for 24 hours and incubating them for 48 hours to kickstart germination before planting the seeds. This process has 4 easy steps that you are about to learn. Now let's go to the steps. Step 1. Preparing the materials. You will need a container, scale, a piece of cloth, water, and rice seeds. Step 2. Winnowing the seeds. Clean the seeds by winnowing to remove empty grains. After winnowing, weigh the seeds to get the exact amount to be pre-germinated. Step 3. Soaking. Place the seeds in a container and pour in water. Remove empty grains that flows on water surface and leave the seeds to soak for 24 hours. This allows the seeds to absorb water for fast germination. Step 4. Incubate the rice seeds. After 24 hours of soaking, rinse seeds in clean water. Wrap the seeds with a damp cloth and place it in a container. Put the container of seeds in a dark place. The seeds will remain in the container for 48 hours to speed up germination. After 48 hours of incubation, you will notice white shoots coming out of the seeds. If you see white shoots on the seeds, your seeds has been successfully pre-germinated and now ready for sowing or planting. I hope you learn a lot from this video. You can now try these easy steps to pre-germinate your own rice seeds. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.